헨나 어디로 가는지 안내해 주는 거야.
안내? 또 내? 안내진데? Please.
Today is another lemon day and I'm so excited because we're going to eat veggie galbi. It's a marinated pork and it's super delicious. In Korean restaurant, especially here in Korea, utensils for kids are always available. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like here? Thumbs up or thumbs down first? Ooh. She felt so good because of the ambience and her plate shaped like a car. Side dish, onion leaves, some macaroni salad. Here in Korea, I observe when you go to particular restaurant like this with your husband, they will serve and cook for you. Korean etiquette is fascinating. Cheers! Garlic and sesame oil. Done! Hennah, are you done? This is coin noribang here in Korea. Music room. Let's get inside. There's a small room. Let's see what they have here. They called it coin noribang. This machine is for exchange your money in case you don't have coins.
곰생아리가 나왔어?
해보자. 한 개 더 있다 이제.
예!
야, 바나나 차차 하자. 바나나 차차. 바나나 차차. 바나나 차차. 라라라라라라 차차. 기르는 집이 차라 차차차. 바나나 차차. 바나나 차차. 나같이 라라라라라 차차. 알까요? 알까요? 개구쟁이 꼬마버스. 와!
빛나는 목소리.
예! 잘했어요.
목소리. 또 한번 해볼까?
Oh wow, it's cha shape. Hennah kokolo. Kokolo mirror. How about that side? Up and down also? Ani. Thumbs up. 혜나 어디? 혜나 어디 있어?